Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and please do subscribe and like the video please, because I'm gonna show you a good strategy today. So please do subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna show you today a good strategy. As you can see on my screen, it's a marketplace, ClickBank, right? You can find affiliate products here. Just go just go to marketplace. If you don't know how to create an account on ClickBank, please comment down. I will show you how to do it. Just ask me, friends. Don't feel shy or anything like that. Please ask. Okay, you can see many categories here, and please don't go to any other categories. I will tell you e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, and home and garden. These are the top three categories which are topmost converting categories. Okay, let's go to e-business and e-marketing. Here, sort results by just every time you enter in a category. Sort results by gravity. What gravity means? Gravity means like, see here, 206 means 206 affiliates have made sales in the last month. So gravity sort by how much product can make you sale. I mean, how much a product is going trending. Okay, don't forget to sort by gravity. Okay, like here you can see ClickWell system, 19.51 bucks, 112-minute affiliate, 144.57 bucks, 42.25 bucks for this one, 43.81 for this one. There are many like this. Just, if you want to promote a product, just look on the gravity. 145, it's good. 108, it's good. 100, 86, it's good. But less than 86, like 73, 49, no, it cannot work. Please friends, don't go with this. You can go with this or the second one, it's your wish. Let's check what this about. Okay, it's a video sales page here. Okay, $9 one time only. It's for the buyer who is going to buy this. 100% money back guarantee. Wow. Okay, and this is a disclaimer. Okay, everything given. Let's get back to our account. Okay, here we are going to promote this. Click and promote. Nickname given, traffic, tracking id means if you want to know from where the sales come, just type here like free traffic or Bing. Yes, I do promote products through Bing also. If you want to make a video on Bing ads, please comment down, I will make it. Generate link. This is your hop link, friends. Okay, copy it, minimize it. Now, important part, please pay attention here. Just pay attention. We have a marketplace, we got our product, we got our link. Now we don't know where to promote it. The platform I am gonna show you, it's for free, nothing to pay with. Don't pay anything. Sorry friends, my keyboard was not working, so I'm using this on-screen keyboard. Okay, here as you can see, friends. Okay, these are my friends groups. Go to groups. Here, pay attention, type something like make money online or affiliate marketing. Here there are many groups. Okay, so much traffic. Go and join them, as I have done. I did not join this one I have joined this first one. Okay, so it have 89,000 members. 89,000 members can see your post, right? It's so much traffic, thousands of traffic, right, for free. 11,000 members, 86,000 members, so much traffic, guys, don't miss this. Okay, now here just go and click here and write a post. Like, you can skip the 10 or 20 seconds. I will finish with the post. Pay attention here, guys. uh, Type info, don't forget to write this. Just broad it. uh, okay, don't do anything like that. You can change the background so it looks nice. Okay, this one looks nice, right? Okay, then here you can see I have changed the background and just posted. And now you're gonna ask me, think you're I think you're thinking that where should we paste that link which we have copied here, right? This link. Don't worry, guys, if someone asks you in the comment that info or I'm interested, just don't do anything, just uh, paste your link there. If someone asks you info or something like that, just paste your link and if he will be directed to this page, this sales page. And if he buys it, okay, then you're getting commissions. Okay, 19.51 bucks. And if you're going to promote this, 144.57 bucks. It's amazing, guys. You have got marketplace for free, you have got products for free, you have got thousands of traffic for free. Don't miss it, guys, please. And please do subscribe to my channel and like and share if you find helpful, and click on the bell icon to stay tuned, because in the next video I'm gonna show you a great platform where you can promote products, and it's a trending one. Okay, bye bye, see you in the next one.